Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to password protect your Android phone without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use Android phone. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here to access my phone settings. Then on getting to this page, you have to make sure I use this particular icon, search icon right here. So I'm going to click on it straight up. Then I will make sure I type in pattern right here. Then I'm going to make sure I click on screen lock. Then it's going to take me to this particular page. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on password. So you'll be taken to this particular page. So right here, password must be at least 4 characters. So I'm going to enter my password straight up. So it has to be letter and character. Just like so. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on continue. And it has to be something you can easily remember for as long as whenever you want to log in into your phone. Okay. So you have to confirm your password right here. Once you are done entering your password, next thing you need to do is to simply click on OK. And the phone will be locked with password, just like what you see right here. Okay. So by the time I simply press the sidebar of my phone to lock the phone, then by the time I want to access the phone back, I'll have to press the switch key on my phone sidebar. Then by the time I swipe this way, they will ask me to enter my login password. So I'm going to enter the password straight up, just like so. So once I'm done with password, I click on here. Then I'll be accessed back to my phone. It's as simple as that. So this is one of the best way you can simply protect screen or lock your phone screen to avoid intruder in access your Android. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Android phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.